Hi there! I just wanted to show you these cheerful birds. These are Eurasian Siskins, tiny birds with a distinctive plumage. They form small flocks, especially in autumn and winter, so although they are very small, you will notice them, or at least hear them. These birds are known for their acrobatic abilities and are considered one of the most acrobatic of all finch species. These birds are able to hang upside down and maneuver with ease, feeding on seeds and insects in a variety of different positions, even if it's very windy. In autumn and winter, their diet is based on the seeds of deciduous trees such as birch and, above all, alder. They are also known to visit bird feeders during the winter, and they are especially attracted to bird feeders that offer sunflower seeds. All birds love them, so my feeders are full of them. In spring, during the breeding season, they are found in coniferous forests. At this time, their feeding is based on the seeds of these trees. When feeding the young, they eat more insects to provide protein for their growing chicks. Happy birdwatching and see you later!